Hey guys, what's going on? Adam here with Indy Farm Life. Welcome back to the channel. So remember several weeks ago when Chris had his gravel that we had to spread out by his barn lot? I think I just took it to the next level. That'll wake you up. Don't need coffee after that.
Rise and shine.
So I have 3 quad axles of number 2 limestone. Probably going to use the 580 to do most of that work. And I'll have the 4052R out here with the box blade to level things out. And actually Nick just ran off to get the 2520 with his Frontier box blade as well. So the size of these piles are serious. Can't let the 580 have all the fun. Gotta get Big Green out. I'll tell you, Big Green has the power to do it, but traction is the issue. Anyway, I just want to knock that down a little bit. So this stake here and that stake there is roughly the driveway pad, so I don't want to get too close to that for when they have to excavate it out, cut more topsoil off. But I'm going to kind of try to round this corner out here, and then might push some of the gravel in toward the backhoe and where Nick is over there. And then honestly, I may take a few scoops out to the trail that goes out to the pond because it's pretty well worn in. But I would say we're definitely going to have enough for now. Once concrete trucks roll across it, it'll probably be in need of a little bit more gravel, but for the time being, it looks all right. Change of plans. The backhoe starter's locked up as it typically does, so Guess I'm using big green. Got it started finally. I tell you, I love that tractor, but it can't do anything on that pile. There's no weight, no traction. If I had a bucket on it, that'd help, but that backhoe is where it's at, and it's probably not going to be turned off until we're done today. Pretty well got most of this spread out. Still have probably a half of a truckload left. I think some of it's going to go up in that area beyond there, and then Nick's over working on the other drive out to the pond. I might take a few scoops out that way. Well, I think I got it spread out as much as I'm going to for now. It's still kind of bumpy in spots. The tractor bounces around in this stuff, can't get traction. Until we have some vehicular traffic, or maybe some construction traffic, and some rain, there's not much more you can do, but 3 loads, totaling probably 65 ton, goes a long way. And it's mounted pretty good in the middle here, but Nick and I were just discussing, there's 3 trees that I dug out here with the backhoe, so some stump settling, or some holes from stumps that are gonna settle quite a bit. All right, so there you have it. 65 ton of number 2 stone spread. And acorns are falling on tractors over there, it sounds like. But if you would, hit that subscribe button, come back and see us. Who knows what we're doing next time. See you guys next Tuesday at 9. Take care.